Sending! It's gonna run dry! Keep it coming! Check the feed thoroughly on every 5th round.
Copy, making sure the links are tight. We've got 3 more crates here.
All right, close the tray. Condition goes, then have you guys do a functions check. Then I'll run you guys through immediate action.
Optics aligned, feed tray secure.
Pressure reading high on auxiliary 5.
Torquing it down now, should stabilize.
Keep it steady. Almost there, send it up.
Locked in. Charging.
Pull it down, sounding hard. Gunner, engage target 3. Send it.
Moving up. We need more belts over here. Hurry up.
Let's go, let's go. Let's go! Target acquired! Engaging now! Clear the zone! Heavy fire incoming! Ammunition loaded! Stand by! Send the next belt! Push it down, just like that. Maintaining overwatch. Keep eyes peeled on the high ground. Get these crates open now. We need more 50 cal downrange. Copy that. Moving the supply point up. Hey man, I can't hurt your hand. I got some chicken wings down here. Link those belts faster. Gunner, stabilize. Target at 200 meters. Misfire! 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 1, 2, 3, 4! All units, maintain heightened alert status. Watch your sectors of fire. We are approaching the objective. Watch the left flank. Ammunition ready. Gunner up. Hit it. Oh! Send the next belt up. Keep them coming. Roger that. Ammo inbound. Suppressing fire, moving up. Hold, wait for the green light. Send another one. Tail right. Take it. Hold right there. Hold right there. Hold right there. Hold right there. Ready? Right out! Adjust fire, right 200. Target moving at 3 o'clock. Roger that, adjusting right 200. Firing when ready.
White 3, approaching waypoint Charlie. Hold steady.
Copy, moving up. Keep eyes on the high ground. Give me one of them things. Ooh, 7.662. Right, let's jam. It's gonna jam. A little bit to the left. A little bit sailor left.
Keep that pace up, we move in 10.
Almost done with this belt, Sergeant. Lift on my count, 3. Clear. Setting the T-slot now. Engage, lock it down. Set the can, Marines, move! All right, listen up. Weapons hot in 5. Maintain link discipline. Keep that ammo moving. Gunner, targets engaged. Fire! Keep that weapon clear. Continue firing.
Fire team, be advised, 250 meters, target in the open.
Secure that pack, Marine. Ready on the gun. Waiting for the command to fire. Cleared out! Cleared out! Hold on, safe. Warning on you shoot. Spring up first aid, Marine. Misfire, misfire, misfire.